Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V EXL all-wheel drive. The vehicle does come equipped with the upgraded rim and tire package, a lift kit, and the JSPORT running boards. You will have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells of the vehicle. You'll also get to enjoy the memory setting for the power seat, which is 12-way, including 4 of those ways for your lumbar support. The vehicle does come equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite. Those features will start off with the collision mitigation braking system and the road departure mitigation. On the steering wheel, you'll also have the controls for lane keep assist and the adaptive cruise control. On the other side, you will have controls to be able to cycle through your media sources, control the volume, answer your phone calls, and use voice commands. The vehicle does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You'll be able to select from a variety of audio sources: AM, FM, XM, radio, Bluetooth. You'll have dual climate control and heated seats, Econ mode for fuel efficient driving, electronic parking brake and brake hold feature. You'll have a power port. You'll also notice on the key you have the button for remote start. Additional USB and power ports here in the center console. You'll also have sunroof, place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror, the HomeLink garage door opener buttons, an additional accessory on this vehicle are the seat covers. You will have power ports beneath the rear air conditioning vents. The vehicle has a power tailgate, a backup camera with 3 different selectable views, have the privacy cover. You'll also have the all-weather floor mat, and under here you'll have a spare tire and tool set. You can also let the back seats down with the pull of the tab. And of course you have a push button close. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.